Once upon a time, while walking with his disciples, Buddha came across a village. He decided to stay in the village for a couple of days with his disciples. This news spread like fire in the villages that Gautam Buddha has come into their villages. Hearing this, people started coming to see Buddha, and they started asking for the solution for their problems. Buddha was also giving them all the solutions to their problems. Meanwhile, a villager said to Buddha, "O Lord, all of us in the village make our living by working hard, and we thank Almighty for whatever He has given us. But there is one person in our village who does not do any work and keeps blaming Almighty for his poverty all the time. He always keeps cursing and abusing the Almighty. If we try to stop him, he starts abusing us too. We don't understand what to do." The blessed one said with a smile, "You guys please bring him to me." One villager said, "O wise one, that person is very rude. He can also abuse you and we can't see him insulting you. Therefore, it is not appropriate to call him here." Buddha smiled and said, "Don't worry, you bring him here. Tell him that I can solve his problem." After listening from Lord Buddha, few of the villagers went to bring him. At first, that person refused to go to Buddha and said, "All these sages are hypocrites. They are all fake. I will not go anywhere." But when some villagers told him that Buddha can solve your problem, he agreed. On approaching Buddha, that person stares at Buddha and said, "Tell me, what's the matter? Why have you called me here? What do you want to tell me? Do you also want me to not abuse Almighty? Why should I not abuse Almighty? What has He given to me? He has given me this useless body, but money is also needed for the body. Why didn't Almighty give me money? What should I do with this useless body? If you can solve my money problem, then it's fine. Otherwise, pack up your sack and get out of these villages. I know all of the monks are fake." Buddha was smiling instead of getting angry after hearing that person's words. Buddha said to the person, "My friend, I am neither asking you to believe in Almighty, nor asking you not to believe in Him. The cause of happiness and sorrow of a person is his own karma. That's why instead of cursing someone else, if you work hard, then your money problem can be solved." Hearing the Buddha, the man got furious and said, "I don't need your lecture. You look like a hypocrite to me. I came here only in hope of money. Tell me if you can solve my money problem, otherwise get lost from here." Buddha saw that this person is not going to understand like this. Buddha said to that person, "Look friend, I don't have any money, nor do I need any money. But yes, I know a king, I can get you money from him. But in return, you will have to give something to that king also." The man said, "What? What can I give to the king? I don't have anything to give him." Then Buddha said, "The king has a son who is blind by birth. King's medical advisors have said that if they can get eyes of a living person, then they can cure the eyes of the king's son. If you give both your eyes to the king's son, then the king will give you gold coins equal to your weight, and then you can live your life with ease afterward." That person got angry and said, "What are you saying? I'll have to give my eyes? Why should I give my eyes to anyone? I'll not give my eyes to anyone, no matter how much money someone gives me." Buddha said, "But you're getting a lot of money in return. Don't you need money?" The man said, "Yes, I need money, but it doesn't mean that I will sell my eyes for sake of money. If I will not have eyes, then what will I do with the money?" Buddha said, "Okay, if not both the eyes, then at least you can give your one eye. Even then, I will get you gold coins equivalent to your weight from the king." The man said, "Are you gone mad? I'll not even give one eye in return of gold coins. My eyes are priceless. How can I sell my precious eye?" Buddha said, "If you want some more money in return, then tell me, I can get you from king." The man said, "Stop it, my eyes are priceless. You please leave this matter. I don't need money. I don't want to sell my eyes at any cost." Hearing this, Buddha said, "My dear friend, just a few moments ago, you were calling your body useless. But now you are saying that your eyes are precious. Your eyes are just a small part of your body. If your eyes are priceless, then how can your body be useless?" Listening to these words from Gautam Buddha, tears came in the eyes of that person, and he fell at the feet of Buddha and started crying. Buddha picked him up and said, "My friend, nature has given us this precious body, but most of the people ignore it and keep cursing themselves. Just a few moments ago, you were thinking of your body as useless, but now you're thinking it priceless. In fact, whatever human beings get for free, they do not understand their value. Therefore, we should be thankful to nature that it has given us this precious body, which is the best among all living beings." Often we see in our life that people get frustrated with their life and starts considering themselves as useless. But they forget that this human body and this life is a precious gift of nature. Human body is the best creation of nature, because only man has the freedom to do good or bad deeds. Only human mind can decide what is right and what is wrong. Therefore, on getting such a priceless human life, we should always thank to that supreme power who gave us this life. If you want to be happy, then always think about the things that you have. Don't think about the things you don't have. Now it is up to you whether you consider yourself lucky to have got human birth and be happy, or you become sad by focusing your attention on the things that you don't have. The decision is yours. Thank you for watching. Have a peaceful day.